Social media buttons are very useful nowadays, but previously also we used to add them. Webflow offers us two types of social media buttons. One is Facebook and the other one is Twitter. Let's start with Facebook. If I go to the ads section and if I scroll down to advanced section, we will see this Facebook element. Let's drag and drop this element to my div here, and by default this Facebook element looks like this. Now this button can be customized. It has three types of layout. One is the standard one, the other one is the box style, third one is kind of like a button style. What you can do with this button or the box or the layout means the URL to your profile, and it's going to take you to that specific profile or the link. You can also customize the width and the height, and the last thing, you can also change the language. For example, if I change this to Spanish, you can see we have a Spanish language now. Let's get this back to English and let's preview this button. Now we don't have any URL right now, but if I click on this one, you can see it follows you now. Now it's a kind of like follow button right now. So this is how you can use the Facebook button. Now let's come to the Twitter button. Now if I go to ads section, if I scroll down and bring the Twitter element here, you can see also Twitter also have some options here. But Twitter has two types of button. One is to tweet something and one is to follow. If you want to tweet something, you can provide the URL of your current website or any website right now. And after providing that URL, if you click on this button, it's going to automatically take you to your Twitter and you can tweet it. You can also have a placeholder pre-built text here, like check this site. And when you click on this button, this will tweet with this specific text. You can also change the design of this button. For example, you can change the bubble style to hide, okay, this bubble, and then you can change the layout from horizontal to vertical like this, and you can change the size also, like from the regular to the larger size. Also, you can edit the width and the height of this element from the size section, because they do not give you this option, but you can definitely do that from here. Now let's see the follow section. As per the follow section, you can see we have this area called username, and then we also have some design settings here. Username is for your profile. For example, right now, if I use the username of a Webflow Twitter account, for example, Webflow, it's going to show your username here. You can you can change the bubble design. Also, you can make it larger or smaller. Now, if I preview this and if I click on this button, it's going to take you to the Webflow profile. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video.